In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video in ActiveCampaign. Whether you're sending out a campaign or crafting an automation email, adding a video can make your communications more engaging and dynamic. I'll walk you through the process step by step so that you can seamlessly integrate this feature into your emails. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the email designer within ActiveCampaign. This is your main creative space where you can really let your design skills shine and tailor your emails to your audience's needs. If you haven't explored it before, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its various tools and options. It's the perfect blend of simplicity and functionality, allowing you to make your emails visually appealing without needing advanced design skills. Once in the email designer, you'll need to locate the video content block. This is an essential tool for embedding your video. You can find it among the other elements you might use in your layouts, like images or text blocks. Simply click and drag the video content block into your email layout where you want the video to appear. The drag and drop feature makes it easy to organize and personalize your layout to suit your style. Now this is where a bit of magic happens. Take the URL from a public video hosted on YouTube or Vimeo, the two platforms currently supported by ActiveCampaign, and paste it into the settings of your video content block. It's important to ensure your video is public, because private links won't work in this context. Once you've entered the URL, ActiveCampaign automatically creates a thumbnail image of your video and adds a play icon over it. This thumbnail acts as a direct link to your video. When your recipient clicks on the thumbnail, they'll be taken to a new tab where the video will play. It's seamless and keeps your email clean and easy to navigate while still offering a rich multimedia experience. A quick note about the thumbnail image. It's generated by ActiveCampaign and can't be customized directly from their interface. So the thumbnail you see, while often taken from the video itself, is chosen by the system. Be sure your video's impactful moments translate well visually in thumbnail form. Before we wrap up, let me introduce an optional feature that might interest you. ActiveCampaign allows you to trigger specific actions when someone clicks on the video. This could include tagging the viewer, which can be handy for segmentation, or starting an automation that leads to further engagement. Using these triggers strategically can enhance the way you interact with your audience, making your campaigns not just visually appealing, but also highly interactive and responsive to user engagement patterns. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to make your emails more interactive and engaging by embedding videos in ActiveCampaign. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Now go ahead and give it a try in your next campaign or automation. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.